everyone, Lisa here, aka Crafting Diva. Thank you for joining me today, and wow, have I got some exciting new products to share with you. I've just been sent these products from CraftStash.co.uk, and they're from the Apple Blossom collection, which is exclusive to them. And to start the year off with a big bang, CraftStash and Apple Blossom are going to be releasing some new products that are going to be under the 12 months flowers collection. This is going to be a collection of products all along the flower birthday theme, and each month they're going to be releasing some brand new products featuring a special birthday flower. So each month you can buy a different design in either stencils, dies, stamps or embossing folders. They all coordinate with each other, and each month you're going to get a different design. So by the end of the year you're going to have a lovely huge collection of different special birthday flowers that will help you make unique cards and projects. The products I've just been sent, like I say, from the Apple Blossom collection, and I've got the February month collection, and I've got the Violets die set and the Violet 6x6 stencil. In today's video I'm going to be using the 6x6 stencil, and in my next video I'm going to be using the die set. So a little bit about the stencil itself. It's 6x6 in size, like I said. It's made from the Haze polyester film that we're used to, really top quality, and the perfect thing about this stencil is not only can you use all your different products in it, your inks, your texture paste, your sprays. These stencils have been designed so that you can layer up the flower design to give them real depth and a real 3D look to them. So to start with, I'm going to show you how we can ink through the stencil to show you how this flower lilac design really comes alive when you layer your inks up. So to start with, what we want to do is get a piece of scrap cardstock just so I can show you the effect. And then I've got two Tim Holtz inks. I've got milled lavender and shaded lilac. And I've got myself some little blending tools. You want to load them up with ink and ink through your stencil, starting with the main background bunch of violets, like so. Once you're happy with the ink coverage, we release our stencil, and as you can see you've got a gorgeous lilac bunch of flowers there. Then what we want to do is get our stencil and line up our second part of our flower design. This is to give it a more in-depth look. This time we want to take our shaded lilac, and again we want to ink through the stencil all over the little areas. And again, once you're happy with your ink coverage, we release our stencil, and as you can see it really gives you a lovely 3D effect to your flowers. So this is really such a great stencil to have in your stash to make beautiful flower arrangements for all your kind of projects you'd like to make. For today I thought I'd show you how we can use this stencil to make this really sweet, simple but effective card. This would be beautiful for birthdays, sympathy cards, or even a gorgeous wedding card. So to make this design, what we need to do is get a square of white cardstock and take our stencil. I'm going to be using obviously the corner element. Then we want to take some of our Tim Holtz inks again. Again, I'm going to use the milled lavender because I think it's a nice subtle colour. And we want to ink through our stencil like this. And again, you can add as much ink as you like or as little ink as you like, just until you're happy with the depth of colour. Then we release our stencil, and as you can see you've got this gorgeous design into your cardstock. What I did then was spun my cardstock round and did the opposite corner like so. Once you've done that, you will end up with this gorgeous design into your cardstock. Just to make the flowers stand out a tiny little bit more, I've got some glossy accents and I just went over the flowers just to make them stand out a tiny bit. For the finishing touch, I just got myself a Wood West sentiment, stamped it on an oval white die cut, matted and layered with a nice lilac oval die cut, and then we just want to 3D that into the centre of our design, and as you can see, it makes a beautiful birthday card. Quite a nice, simple, quick design, but I think you'll agree, really quite a classy design to send to anyone. The other brilliant thing about this stencil is not only can you make little cards, you can also go on and stretch the designs out to make any size card or project you'd like. I went on and I've made myself this gorgeous 8x8 card. I made this by, again, using the corner element of the stencil, and I went round and inked all 4 corners on a piece of white cardstock, and then I just used the little die to cut some little added violets. And then for the sentiment, I used a apple blossom. If we were friends, I'd pick you die just for my nice sentiment. And as you can see, it really makes a gorgeous sentiment card. So as you can see, these are really versatile products. You can make big cards, little cards, gorgeous layered effect patterns to your flowers, and these would be perfect if you'd like to make off the page projects like canvases or photo frames, anything like that. So the products I used to make these little projects again were from the Apple Blossom collection, and they are from the 12 Months of Flower collection, and I've got the February Violet 6x6 stencil and the February Violets die set. Really hope you enjoyed this video, a little quick sneak peek how the stencil works. Please look out for the other months that will be released, like I say, each month, so you can build up your collection. And please keep your eyes peeled for my second video that's going to be featuring the February Violets die set. Thanks again for watching. Would love to read any of your comments and hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.